Good morning, everyone. If you voted, you are allowed to watch this video. If not, go vote first. At least if you're in America. Alright, so what have I got here? I got an egg sac. This is the last egg sac I have in my colony. I'm getting a little worried. So there was rapid attrition of all the adults that I wild caught in this last month or so, and we're down to 3 females. That's a little bit concerning. I mean, I've got another 20 or so juveniles coming up, but they're not quite ready to do anything for me yet. So here we go. We got this egg sac. Now this egg sac was produced by Vera, who, if you watched my last set of spider videos, know was extremely plump. She had a great big cricket meal and filled up on stuff. And then after that, on the 28th of October, she produced this little egg sac, which I'm now inspecting to see if there's anything in it. There better be. So what we should have in here is week-old embryos. And I see some hints down there. A lot of fluff in here, but deep down there are some round things. She didn't make a lot though. From my earlier videos of opening up spider egg sacs, you may recall that they were just thick with maybe 40, 50 eggs in them. And this one is kind of sad. A lot of silk here, but doesn't seem to be that many eggs. Are they even healthy? Oh man, they look weird. They look all compacted together like kernels in a corn cob. I don't think that's a good sign. Okay, what has happened here? There's a kind of egg mass sitting in the center of all this, but I'm not seeing the individual eggs. Oh, this is so disappointing. As you can see, I am peeling this thing completely apart, trying to find some sign of embryonic life, and I'm not having much luck here. Oh, this isn't good. They seem kind of hard as well. I'm trying to pop them apart, see if I can see anything. I'm kind of suspecting that they're all desiccated. Why? I don't know. I try to give them a pleasant, humid environment. I saw something similar with Gwyneth's last set of eggs, in that they weren't clumped together like this, but they never developed. And they were just kind of these hard little gravelly rocks. And that seems to have happened here. Yeah, that's actually pretty solid. There you can see I kind of cracked it apart there. Let's zoom in on that. Yeah. Ew. Well, I was hoping to do some experiments with embryos today, and I don't think I'll be able to with these guys. I don't think. No, I know. This is no good. So I wonder what has happened here. I also noticed when I tried to pull the egg sac out of the vial that this is Vera's set of babies. Vera did not put up a fight. She didn't seem to care. They were done. They were gone. Oh, but it's such a shame. Also, Vera's last consort was H8, who she ate. So there's no reproduction for old H8. He's just gone. Let's take a look at Vera here. Oh, these reflections. There she is. You can see she's not quite as bloated as she used to be. But she didn't produce any eggs for us. Darn. Such a lovely beastie, and I would like to throw another male in there and see if we could stimulate some egg production, but all my males except the juveniles are dead. Thanks for eating him, lady. Okay. Well, that cut short my day, but we'll try again. Like I said, there's a bunch of nice little juveniles coming up in the colony. I just have to get them to an age where they are productive and start laying eggs for me. I hope that happens. I hope I don't have to wait till the summer and collect some more. It's nerve-wracking, this spider business. Okay, well, that's all. We're done for the day. Dang.